Okay, I'm sorry if you guys can see this fucking mosca in here, but I can't get it out and I can't kill it. And it's just there. It's just flying around. You already know that I don't do... Oh my god, I hit it. I heard it. Oh my gosh. I'm a fly murderer. Good night. So affordable. It is only $10, so it is half the price that you would pay for a Brow Wiz. I bought this when I was like broke and I couldn't afford the what do you call it? The Anastasia Brow Wiz. It's still flying around. Oh my god, it's gonna piss me off. Okay. Anyway, so I gotta kill it. There's two. Okay, so for eyebrows, you guys know that I go off camera. Excuse the moscas that are flying around. I have no clue where the hell they came from, and where are you? Fucking moscas. Come on, bitches. Putas moscas. I'm about to smack the shit out of it. Anyway. Okay, so for eyebrows, I do my eyebrows off camera, but you guys know. Just cut this shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video on how to do a bougie glam on a budget. So I have everything that I used today was all from the drugstore or from your local Ulta on the very low end of the prices at Ulta. So everything will be affordable and really easy for you guys to get your hands on, really. But yeah guys, so this is the look that I'm going to be doing today. It's going to be a half cut crease, smoky eye, I guess you want to call it. I don't really know. It's a bougie look, so let's just go with that. How about that? Okay, so anyway guys, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then let's keep on watching. Moisturize our face right now, and I do need lots and lots of moisturizer because your homegirl just got back from vacation and you know she dehydrated on my face. So for my moisturizer, sorry I forgot to say, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer, and this you can find, I've said it before, but you can find it at Walmart or Ulta. At Walmart it is a couple bucks cheaper. I think it's like $2 or $3 cheaper, and at at Ulta it's a little bit more expensive, but it is a more drugstore. It is more of a more luxury type of moisturizer. You can definitely find cheaper ones. You can use Pond's, but this is like more on the bougie side of drugstore. There we go. I lost my train of thought. Okay, for eyebrows, you guys already know that I do my eyebrows off camera, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to give you guys some products to use for your eyebrows that you can find and that are really good, and you can find them at the drugstore. The first thing that I would use is the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in color Espresso is what I have, but the color that I would that would match my eyebrows would be the darkest one. I'm not sure what color it is. I'm pretty sure it's like black. To fill in my eyebrow, I would use the Ardell palette, and this is just a little powdered palette that you use to fill in your eyebrows, and I always go in with a black and a mixture of the lighter brown on here. So now we're going to go ahead and do the eyes because we are going to be doing a glam look. So we're going to go ahead and need to set our eyes. To set my eyes, I'm going to be using the Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in color Natural. And I'm just going to put that on my lid. Whoa, exploded. And I'm going to be using this angled brush to just blend this out. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild AU Natural palette from Wet n Wild. And this is what it looks like. This is the color that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be using a NYX brush in number 16. Okay, now lightly, you guys, and I'm telling you guys, lightly, Jesus please, lightly tap into the burgundy color right here. Okay, now for the inner corner, we're going to go in with the black color right there, and we're just going to pack that in deeply into the outer corner. We're going to be doing the cut crease, and because it's an all drugstore makeup video, I'm going to be using the Maybelline concealer to do the cut crease. With a flat brush, I'm going to go in with that rose gold. It's like a goldy rosy color. To help my transition from that black to the gold, I'm going to put in some of that burgundy right there just to make it really nice. I think this eye is good, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one off camera, and then we'll be back, guys. We are going to add some eyeliner, and I'm just going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. But we got our eyes done, and now we're going to go ahead and start on our foundation. But first things first, we have to prime our face, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild matte. I'm always confused if the first word and then the second word is just in a different language, or if I think it's called matte though. I just don't see why it wouldn't be. But anyway, it's a photo focus face primer, and it's from Wet n Wild. It's kind of like it's like a thick lotion, but it kind of feels like glue at the same time. And for my foundation, I'm going to use the 312 Golden Foundation in Maybelline's 24-Hour Foundation. I'm not sure if this is my color. I just got back from the beach, so if it's not my color, you guys, sorry. Yeah, sorry. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in color Sand. So to set my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder Foundation, I guess. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer, and this is from I can't ever say this. Physicians Formula. For blush, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Mellow Wine, which is 32B. No, 328B, sorry. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my lash line. And for that, I'm going to be using a Morphe brush G19. And I'm going to be going in that burgundy color. Okay, so to line my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in color Natural. And I'm just going to do that really quick. To go in it, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in color Brown. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution by London, or Makeup Revolution London Triple Baked Highlighter Goddess of Faith. And yeah, and so this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. If you guys did like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, you guys were so close to hitting that 300 subscribers. Pretty excited. Cannot wait. I'll see you guys in my next video for sure. And remember to stay faithful and grateful, guys. I love y'all. Bye.